everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. There was some new products that I saw in Walmart and it's affordable. If you guys are interested in how I created this look and what I use, please stay tuned. But before we get into the video, please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification button down below so you don't miss out any of my videos. And thumbs up this video if you enjoyed this kind of like Coachella, Daychella, stay at home kind of festival look. So let's just get right into this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the new collection by Wet n Wild, and this is their Neon Fantasy Maker collection. So I'm super excited to be trying this out. This look is definitely different from what I am used to. I just wanted to go over what I used, and this tutorial is going to be like really quick. It's not going to be like a sit down talk to. I'm just going to explain what I did. So the first thing that we have are their Fantasy Maker Pigment Palettes. I have two of them and I use both on my eyes today. They come with one matte, one kind of shimmer shade, and then two pressed glitters. This is how they look. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. Orange right here to die for, and this shade right here, gorgeous. So when you touch this shade right here, it's kind of like a wet kind of feel, and then as well as this one, but this one at the bottom is a little bit more creamier, where this one at the top is more, it's still creamy, but it feels chunky, so you probably get more glitter. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. This one is definitely more creamier and this one more shimmery, but nevertheless they're so beautiful. And then the shimmer shade is nice and it's like a satin finish. I really love it. This is their Desert Heat palette. I really love this shade, definitely for spring, summertime. And then this palette right here is their Pink Palooza palette. And then I tried to put this glitter right here on the lower lash line, but for some reason when I was putting my brush in, it was turning like black almost. I don't know. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. You see how it looks kind of black right in the center? I didn't like that, so I had to go in with another product underneath to make it, you know, work. These two palettes right here retail for $4.93. What makes this collection so amazing is that everything is under $5 and it's exclusive to Walmart right now. So I thought that was pretty awesome. I was trying to go online to find the prices and everything because I threw out my receipt, but I couldn't find it anywhere, and I was like, are you kidding me? Is this not out or something? Apparently it's exclusive to Walmart, which is pretty awesome. The next item I have right here is their glitter eyeliner, and I have the shade, I wrote everything down on my notebook because I had to take the packaging off, which I'm kind of upset that these shades are not like written on here. Once you take that plastic off, it's gone. And I try to look and I'm like, there's no name. So the color that I have is Disco Dew, and this retails for $2.93. Like the product, it's so pretty. If you can see right here, you definitely will have to do like a couple layers of it, but if you wanted to do a look and you didn't have like a glitter on hand, this would be so pretty just to dust on in the inner corners or all over the lid and pat it in. I like this. It's pretty. The next product that I have right here is their Multi-Stick, and I like these sticks. I got a couple from NYX, which I really like, but the difference with this one, I like at the bottom, you can twist it and it goes all the way up, and then if you don't need it, you twist it back down. Usually when you have sticks like this, sharpen it. So I really like this. This one was like a muted like lavender shade right here, and this is in the color Epic Ending, and this retails for $2.93. I think that this is amazing, so I really like it, and it's super creamy. Like, oh my god, it's so creamy. It feels so amazing, and I like this because you can use it for different things too. You can use it as an eyeshadow base if you wanted that like pop of color, put it down as a base and then put a shadow on top of it, or you could use it by itself. I like it because you could probably use it for a lipstick too if you wasn't sure, if you were looking for a shade like this and you're like you can put it all over the lid and you can like do a little design. It's a multi-stick, so it's not used for just one thing. You can use it for different things, which I really love. The next product that I have right here is their glitter gel. Comes with this little protector right here, and this is literally just like a little jelly, so if you go upside down it's not gonna fall, which I really love. And look at how sparkly that is. Oh my god. So if I kind of swatched it, like It's definitely really wet. And then if you put it on the back of your hand, that's what it looks like. Super glossy. And you can definitely build it up. Put those stars in the inner corner of my eyes just to give a little bit of a pop. So if I didn't use these jewels, those were gonna be like my pop. You see how they're just like right in the inner corner. So instead of doing a inner corner highlight, I put the little stars, which I think are so cool. But you can use them like all over the body. You can use them as like little highlighter pops. And you can probably also put them like in your hair. So I could have put them right on the top of my hair right here. I don't want to do that now because it's probably gonna be hard to get out my hair when I wash it tonight. Glitter gel is in the shade Seeing Doubles. Or Seeing Double, and this retails for $4.93. And I definitely would recommend picking all these products up. They're so amazing, they're so inexpensive. So if you really want to go for like that Coachella, festive, you know, fantasy type of look, definitely check this collection out. It is amazing. The next product that I have right in my hand has to be my favorite product in this whole collection right now, and that's their highlighter. And this is in the color Illumi-Naughty. This highlighter, guys, is so bomb. You see that glow? Like, it's so buttery. Oh my gosh, look at how you see that. It's like soft. It's not chunky at all. It's so amazing. When I dipped my brush in, I was like, it just feels like butter, and it just goes on so nicely. Like, I really love this color. It's like a champagne shade, so that's like my favorite type. It's like soft, but it's blinding at the same time. So if you want to do like a light layer, you could, and if you want to build it up, do you think? I also put that on the brow bones just to give a little bit of a pop, and the highlighter retails for $4.93. So the next two products that I have are lip products, yes. So the first thing I have right here is their High Shine lipstick, shade Sunset in Indio, whatever, I'll put it down below. And it's this beautiful like nudie shade, but it has like that orange tint. It has reflex of like orange and pinks in it. Super pretty. And it's definitely like a glossy type of lipstick. The next thing I have is their lip gloss, and their lip gloss Cloud 9, and this retails for $2.93. Oh my god, I just and I did go on top of the lipstick just a little bit to give more of a shine, but this is definitely a clear gloss, and it has tons of glitter in it. It's so wet looking. I think that is so pretty. Look at how wet that looks. Oh, I really love how it just gives that glossy look. The lipstick is already glossy itself, but that extra pop just like brings the whole look together. So I really love this too. The next item in the bunch is nail polish, and this is in the color Private Jet. Now it is like a glitter, and I didn't put this on, so I'm kind of trying it out right now. And I picked it up because I wanted to do my nails, and I wanted like a nude nail with little sparkles, and actually it's pretty cute. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. It's like a little disco ball. It's really cute. So I wonder how that is going to be. The nail polish retails for $2.93. I think the packaging is so cute with the little diamonds on top. Attempt to try to do my nails since we're still in quarantine and see what kind of creative look I come up with my nails. So yeah. So the last things in the collection are the Fantasy Maker Gem Face Mask. So I have this style in Cosmic Queen right here. I love that one. So gorgeous. And then the one that I actually use in this tutorial is Glam Goddess. And these retail for, I think it was $9.93 as well. But mine came with this in the center, and then the eyes underneath, and it comes with like this big gem that you put on your forehead. But I don't know, I kind of like it how it's a little bit, you know, softer on the bottom, and then the attraction is the eyes. I felt like I would have put this on top. It would have like overpowered the look. And the one thing I can say I don't like about these is that you have to use the whole thing, because it comes with like this little like sticky, And if you try to rip off the gems by itself, it's not sticky anymore. So you have to be careful. And when I was doing the bottom, these two in the corners actually fell off and I couldn't stick them back on. So I literally like licked the back and put them on. So they're like hanging for their life right now. And then this one too, like there's no glue on there. I literally just licked it and put it on my forehead. So if I wanted to use the rest of them, they're just gonna have like a little blank spot. Or I can try to be careful and kind of rip it off individually and use it in different ways. This is the completed look. For lashes, I actually put my Ardell Wispy 603s on, which I really love because it's soft, but you can still see the shadows and the glitter. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little review tutorial. I really love this collection. I definitely would pick this up if you are into that, you know, this type of festive look. This reminds me of like carnival as well. Oh my god, that would look so bomb when I get my body right. Looking cute. I like this. Like honestly, like if I was going to a party and it was my birthday or something, I'm wearing this look. I don't care. They know I love makeup. So I'll leave everything down in the description box below of what I use. I did my hair like, you know, very cute, you know. So I don't have anything else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.